Hey guys, welcome to Coding Rojo, and today we are going to learn what are data types. Let's get started. Well, variables can hold values of different types, and these are called data types. We need different data types in order to store different types of values in the variable. Based on data type of a variable, the interpreter reserves memory for it and also determines the type of data that can be stored in the reserved memory. For example, if we want to store an integer, then it will be a memory of 4 bytes will be reserved by the interpreter, like here. Standard data types supported by Python are numbers, strings, list, tuples, dictionary. We will get to them in detail further. In Python, there is no need to declare variables for reserving memory space. Languages like C, C++, Java need to explicitly declare the variables in order to use them further in the program. But in Python, there is no need for that. Variables are declared automatically in Python when a value is given to the variable using the equal sign. So for example, when we use a variable like a equals to something something, or a equals to 10, we write in Python, the variable is declared automatically. So now going into the details of data types supported by Python, we will learn what are numbers. So the numbers like 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20.8. All these are numbers. And then the subtypes of number are integer, float. What are integers? Integers are the natural numbers or whole numbers like 1, 3, 5, 89, 64. And float are the numbers which use decimal point like 1.2, 34.5, 6, 7, 8.4. And this come under the category number in Python. And then second category or second type of data type supported by Python is strings. For example, capital letter A, these are strings. These all come under the data type string. Now the third type of data type is list. Whenever we want to store a number of values in square bracket, we use list in Python. We can use this by using a square bracket and then typing number of values we want. We can also assign this list to a variable like it is given over here in example. Student grades equals to square bracket 9.1, 8.8, 7.5, closing bracket. This is what we call list in Python. Then another type is dictionary. The difference between this is the list and dictionary is in dictionary we use curly braces, and we don't only have value over there, we also have two things, that is key and value. So the value is assigned to the key written before the colon, like here the key is sim and then after the colon the value is 8.8. Then another data type is tuple. We can also store the value in this type of data type. And to encounter another data type, we have boolean data type. This returns only two values, true or false, where true equals to 1 and false equals to 0. Boolean variables are also created while we assign a value to them or when we use a relational operation on them like 2 times equals to. So that was it, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me whether in comments or you can DM me on Instagram. I have put below the link in the description box of my Instagram. Take care, bye bye, thank you.